Hi Armcandy gang, welcome back to our channel. Today's bag is this gorgeous piece of Louis Vuitton, isn't it adorable? So it's a Louis Vuitton Iéna size PM in the gorgeous damier azure, beautiful colourway as we go into spring summer. Although I say spring summer, it's absolutely freezing today. It's really, really cold, and I've got the door open because we've had the door frame painted, so it needs to stay open, and I'm so cold, hence the scarf and the very numb fingers. But anyway, so this has just gone live on the website. I'm going to talk you through the features of the bag. I'm going to talk you through what it comes with, and then talk you through the condition. Okay, so we've got double shoulder straps. You can tell by the colour of the shutter, this is actually a new bag. She used it just a couple of times. So it's still very, very pale. Let's just show you the base whilst we're here on the back. So on the front, we've got one zipped pocket. That's coming. It's also got a little tab on it, and the gorgeous Louis Vuitton zip pull. Okay, inside it's that beautiful pale pink lining, almost a ballerina pink lining. Okay, and this pocket goes right to the base of the bag. Okay, it's right down to the bottom, and then we've got, let's show you these, the tabs. It's a zip top closure, so we'll open it up. Again, that beautiful pink lining, it's so sweet. So we've got a Louis Vuitton badge there, two flat pockets, and then a slightly bigger flat pocket on that side, and also a D-ring where you can put your, where you can attach whatever you want to attach to that. You might have a pochette you want to attach to it, or maybe your keys. The date code is inside the front pocket. It is tucked in there. It's very difficult to show you. There is a photograph of the date code on the website, but it's in there. I can't quite angle it. There you are. I think you can see the tab just there. But there's a photograph of that on the website, so you can get a good look at that. Size-wise, it's the PM petite model. It's on the website, so you can get the exact measurements. This will just give you an idea of the size. I am a UK size 10 and 5'4", and it's very comfortable to wear on the shoulder. Okay, I'll show you which this particular bag comes with. So first of all, it comes with the Louis Vuitton box and ribbon. Okay, we've also got just a bag, and then we've got the Louis Vuitton envelope with the little thank you slip and sort of care details on there as well. Okay, condition. So the exterior we've called very, very good. The only reason, like I said, it's been used literally a couple of times. There is the slightest of wear on the bottom corners. It won't show up on the camera. I'm spinning it round so you can have a look. You might want to freeze frame it, but you can. It won't show up on the camera. But there is the tiniest bit of wear. Also, just the general kind of this tiniest bit of wear on the leather. Again, it won't show up. Basically, it's just existed, but we've called it very, very good condition. The hardware we've called, again, very, very good condition. There is nothing for me to point out to you on the hardware, nothing for me to show you it's being an issue. You can just see that perhaps it's been used a few times. So it's just a mark of being excellent. And the interior we've called very good condition. The reason that's not an excellent is there are just a couple of marks. The worst mark is there, which I think is a little bit of biro. But if I come back, and it kind of puts into perspective how small a mark it is, and that is the worst one. There is a couple of marks just where my finger is there, which I don't think, so I can angle it so you can see. Yeah, very slight. Oh, there we go. Can you see down there? Okay, and there is a tiny mark actually inside on the base of the bag there where my finger is. That definitely won't show up, I don't think. It's very, very light. That one isn't biro, it's very pale. Okay, other than that, the inside is absolutely pristine, and like I said, it's that beautiful soft pink. It's so, so pretty. Okay, so there's a link to this gorgeous bag on our website, which of course is currently out of stock, and I think is continued. There's a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below the video, it'll take you straight to this on the website, and of course you'll be able to put all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets, they're all on there as well. Before you go, remember to give us a thumbs up for the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Then go and hit the link below and go and check out the website. Remember on the website to sign up for the newsletter. We will send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It's worth getting that done. Just take you a few seconds. Just scroll to the bottom of any page on the website and there's a little box. You pop your email address in there and then we'll immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get it immediately, it means it's gone into your spam folder, so check in there. But I think that's everything. So yeah, gorgeous little Louis Vuitton Iéna PM. Check it out on the website and we'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Armcandy.